10 Millionaire Habits. 1. Wake up early. Many millionaires start their day early to maximize productivity and plan ahead. 2. Read and learn continuously. Successful people read books, listen to podcasts, and stay informed to improve their knowledge and skills. 3. Set clear goals. They define specific financial, personal, and business goals and create action plans to achieve them. 4. Live below your means. Instead of spending extravagantly, they focus on saving and investing wisely. 5. Invest in multiple income streams. Millionaires diversify their income by investing in businesses, stocks, real estate, or side hustles. 6. Networking and building relationships. 7. Healthy lifestyle. 8. Resilience and persistence. 9. Focus on value creation. 10. Gratitude and giving back.